Take a ride in the
2020 Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look. Plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.